Alright, I'm not really sure if the camera is doing it much justice. I think it's picking up, but it's way more pronounced in real life than on camera. But look at all this wildfire smoke. This is the bad it's ever been from here in Lansing, Michigan, due to the Canadian wildfires. Like, it's so bad that I can, like, smell the smoke, like, a lot. It's, like, a very pronounced, like, woody, planty kind of smell. This is... Yeah, look at all the smoke over there. Hold on. Yeah, see? There's a lot of it over there. And the sky isn't blue. It's instead like a whitish, almost gray kind of color. It's completely clear out. That's all the smoke. That's crazy, dude. What the hell?